everybody! We have a song for you called We Wave Our Scarves Together. Come on, wave up high. We wave our scarves together. We wave our scarves together. We wave our scarves together because it's what we do. We clap our hands together. We clap our hands together. We clap our hands together because it's what we do. Get ready to fly. We fly around together. We fly around together. We fly around together because it's what we do. We scrunch our scarves together. We scrunch our scarves together. We scrunch our scarves together because it's what we do. We shake our scarves together. We shake our scarves together. We shake our scarves together because it's what we do. We throw our scarves together. We throw our scarves together. We throw our scarves together because it's what we do. We peek-a-boo together. We peek-a-boo together. We peek-a-boo together because it's what we do. Because it's what we do. You can introduce more actions. A nice one is when we stomp on scarves together, or when you say we turn around together. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes. Goodbye.